Fabuwood is a technology company that happens to sell cabinets. We were the first company that said, hey, you can get a high-quality kitchen in a 5-day lead time.
We started out in 2009 with 40 employees, about 100,000 square feet, and since then we have grown to a 1 million square foot facility here in Newark, plus our Jersey City facility, and we have now 1,200 employees, and we have about 5,000 dealers.
Before we had Acumatica and a good MRP system, we were stuck. We weren't able to do more production, not because of machinery. It was literally because the manager had to plan production himself. Every day and every week, you had to put in a ton of hours.
Our legacy systems had everything siloed, so making the two different systems, manufacturing, inventory, and finance, talk to each other was always difficult. Before, it would take multiple days to make sure that the data matched up between the two systems.
Right now, when we do have Acumatica and we do have a good MRP system in place, the manager has to put in not more than 1 hour a week. He has all the production planned for him.
With Acumatica, I can drill down from the top down or from the bottom up, so I can see the impact of what we're doing day to day. I don't have to wait 2 months later until we get all the data into something that's a very manual solution like QuickBooks.
As the executives want to make decisions, it's my job to make sure that they have the correct information to make those decisions. So forecasting sales is a big part of what our role is. So having a system that can help us with those projections and adjust as we go through our ups and downs and seasonal flows is really, really helpful.
I think Fabuwood has been lucky that we partnered with NextView as our reseller because Dan Schwartz and his team has been outstanding, responsive, around-the-clock availability, weekends they will answer calls, and simply just go the extra mile to make it happen.
So the manufacturing edition gives companies all the capabilities they need in discrete manufacturing, but you're getting all of the bells and whistles and all of the surround functionality that Acumatica has, and whether that's business events, the open API, dashboards, GIs, you name it, it's all part of the package. So the manufacturing is really application functionality, but it's sitting on top of the best platform out there for ERP.
We would never be able to continue growing as fast as we're growing without having the MRP that helps us make sure we have accurate inventory, on time, the production orders, the work orders.
When I think of Acumatica, I think of a one-stop shop for all my data needs. It's been amazing to have our inventory, manufacturing, and finance all on one platform and be able to pull the data out easily and quickly.
Acumatica is going to continue to grow and say, what does the user community need?
The lead time of months waiting for product is unacceptable in this day and age. And this is what we have changed in the industry. We're planning to open up multiple satellite locations throughout the country. We're definitely not slowing down anytime soon.